Let me be real with you. Most side hustles you see online are designed to make the person selling the course money, not you. They'll tell you that you can make $5,000 a month flipping thrift store items or taking surveys, and then you'll spend 3 months earning $90. That's not a side hustle. That's a waste of time. What I'm about to share are 5 actual money-making opportunities that people are using right now to earn serious cash. These aren't theoretical. These are things with real earning potential, real timelines, and real proof. So if you're tired of personal finance advice that doesn't actually move the needle, stick around. Let's start with freelance writing, because it's probably the most accessible if you can string words together. Right now, there's insane demand for SEO blog content, email copy, and product descriptions. Here's what actually happens. You start on platforms like Upwork or Contently, charging maybe 30 to 50 cents per word. That's low. Yeah, but you're building a portfolio and figuring out your process. After 3 months of consistent work, you've got samples. Now you can pitch directly to e-commerce companies, newsletters, and SaaS startups. Those clients pay $2 to $5 per word. Someone doing this seriously, and I mean putting in 20 hours a week, can hit $2,500 to $3,000 a month within 6 months. The best part? It scales. Get 4 solid clients at $2,000 each, and you've got an $8,000 monthly side income. Next is virtual bookkeeping, and this one might surprise you because it actually requires learning something real. But here's why it pays so well. Small business owners desperately need organized finances, and they'll pay for it. You don't need an accounting degree. You need to learn QuickBooks or Xero and understand basic bookkeeping principles. There are certifications you can get in 3 to 6 months for under $500. Once you're certified, you can charge between $1,000 and $1,500 per month per client. Most people doing this have 3 to 5 clients, which puts them at $4,000 to $6,000 monthly. The work is consistent. Clients stay with you for years, and you can do it from anywhere. This is passive income that's actually semi-passive because it requires ongoing management. But the barrier to entry is so much lower than people think. Now, if you want something that actually leans toward true passive income, niche YouTube channels are still working in 2025. But you need to understand the reality. You're not starting a general channel about finance tips expecting to hit it big. You're creating a highly specific channel in a niche where monetization happens fast. Think automotive repair for a specific car model, vintage fashion authentication, competitive gaming in a subgenre, or technical tutorials for a professional tool. These channels hit monetization at 2,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours way faster than broad topics. Someone I know started a channel teaching freelancers how to use a specific design software. It took 5 months to hit monetization. Now he's making $500 to $3,000 a month from ad revenue alone, plus he sells a course. The truth about YouTube is this: it's not passive income for the first year, but after that, you're earning while you sleep. Here's where real leverage happens. Digital products. Create once, sell infinitely. This could be a template bundle, a mini course, a checklist collection, or a software tool. The hustle is front-loaded. You spend 2 to 4 weeks creating something genuinely useful. Then you sell it for $17 to $97 on platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Etsy. If you already have an audience of even 5,000 people through email or social media, you can hit $500 to $2,000 in the first month. The beautiful part is that it genuinely becomes passive. You're not trading time for money anymore. You're solving a problem once and getting paid repeatedly. Most people skip this because they focus only on the time investment up front. But that's exactly why it works. Less competition. Finally, micro-consulting. This is where you leverage whatever expertise you already have and charge premium rates for your brain. If you've been working in marketing, you can consult for startups at $5,000 per project. If you understand product development, SaaS companies will pay you for your insights. The work might be 20 hours per month, maybe less. You're not building a full-time consulting practice. You're taking on 3 to 5 clients per quarter and making $5,000 to $15,000 per project. This requires some positioning and credibility, which means you can't do it day one. But if you've got 5 to 10 years of experience in literally anything valuable, this is the highest leverage play on this list. Here's what separates the people who actually make money from side hustles versus the people who quit after 2 weeks. They pick one, they commit for at least 3 months, and they track their numbers obsessively. You don't need to do all 5. Pick the one that matches your current skills and lifestyle. Then go all in. And I want to be clear, this is educational content, not financial advice. Your results depend on effort, market demand, and your specific situation. But if you implement one of these seriously, you will see income. Subscribe to this channel, because next week we're breaking down exactly how to price your side hustle so you're not leaving money on the table. Let me know in the comments which one you're trying.